Well, I hope you all enjoyed the interior of the church, and for our next little real treat from here for me, loving bell towers and everything to do with them, is a trip up into its bell tower. Now, I can only go into sort of the entranceway of the bell tower and show you some of the bells. I can't go over to where these slats are because they've got nesting birds in, and I was asked not to upset or disturb them, so that's perfectly fair enough. It was a bit of a climb up into this one, but this fascinating little bell tower is the oldest one I've ever been up into because it dates from the year 1170. So you'll join me inside the church now, and then we'll have our climb up into the bell tower. Hope you're all going to enjoy. It's not a very long video. Join me inside. And we're now inside the church. There's one of its old wooden medieval bell wheels, which was taken down when the bells and their hangings were repaired and replaced. We don't get to see all the bells because I was asked only just to go into the entrance bit of the bell tower so I don't disturb the bird life. But Peasmarsh bells 1, 2 and 3. Joseph Hatch made me, 1631. Bell number 4, Joseph Hatch, me feckit, 1631. On the second and third and fourth bells, there is a small medallion bearing 3 bells and the initials IH. Joseph Hatch was a man of considerable property in Kent, and his foundry was at something coming Kent. Ulcombe in Kent. And I now have to climb up this, onto there, and up into there. So that's where you're going to join me, and we even get to hear bell number 2 ring. We are now up in the bell tower. Whew, bit of a climb. That's where the birds are over there. That's just one of them for you, and the hope you all enjoyed the little tour, and sorry for frightening the little birds. There are other bells over that way, but I won't go that way because I'll disturb the birds and was asked not to.